Hello traders and welcome to the update on our smart money trade. It's Stu Nagpan here, founder of Master the Markets Illitress Conference and the Traders Open Day. So right now we are currently on the dollar Swiss trade, okay? The dollar Swiss trade, this is a smart money trade which is basically capturing the cycle movement of this particular strategy. This is the whole concept out of it, and we have programmed it in terms of using algos to specify our swing high and swing lows on a consistent basis. Right now we are just a little bit over 1,200 pounds, okay, 1,200 pounds, just a little bit under that at the moment, okay, but it's well over 1,000 pounds over here, very near to our target as well. We'll see how this trade progresses. Now traders, one thing I've mentioned before is that, in terms of catching a swing, is what we call over here is swing trading over here. In terms of this concept of the smart money strategy, is when we are capturing a swing, one thing you must definitely look into is quantifying your swing highs and your swing lows. Now, what are swing highs and swing lows? Now, swing highs and swing lows are particularly points where the market turns, like over here, right? The market turning over here, turning, and then it's going up and down, like in a cycle movement. Okay. Now, in Traders Basecamp, we usually talk about this in terms of, for the beginners especially, we tell them that to identify a downtrend, you got to look for the letter U, and for uptrend, you got to look for the letter N. So, in terms of that, what you have to do in terms of identifying and quantifying without any subjectivity, you have to quantify your swing highs and swing lows so that we got a consistent way of measuring them. Okay, so that is very critical. Now, one other definition that can help you as well in terms of swing highs and swing lows is basically a swing high is a point in the market where there are no more buyers who want to buy even a single pip or a penny, even more if you may, of this particular instrument. At that point, the buyers get exhausted, and the selling starts to continue, and that's what makes the turning point. Do remember, traders, over here what we're doing is trading. Trading means buying and selling, exchanging. So we need to find, before a transaction can happen, you must have a buyer and a seller match. If the buyer over here at this particular point doesn't want to buy anymore because he feels that it's not worth it to buy at that particular point, it cannot even go a single pip even further. Or even if you were to put it in any chart against pound against time, then it can't even go against even one penny even more higher. At that point, the selling begins, creates the turning point, and that is what is called your swing high. The opposite for the swing low, where we cannot find any sellers who want to sell even one penny cheaper than that. Okay, one penny cheaper than that. So the buyer's got no other choice but to buy it off from that point onwards. Okay. That's what creates the swing low point, because the sellers do not want to sell anymore cheaper. That's what creates these continuously turning points. And what we are doing over here, as traders of swing traders, especially in terms of swing trading, we are looking to capture those turning points even before they happen on a high probability basis. Okay, so that's what we can do. And if you're a swing trader, you must definitely, one thing you must definitely be doing is looking to how to quantify those swing highs and swing lows. Okay, very critical. Okay, so that's that in this video. So we'll update you as how this trade actually carries on. Just a little bit more than 1,200 pounds at the moment. We'll see how this carries on into towards our target that we have placed. All right, that update will come very soon. That's on the dollar Swiss trade. Dollar Swiss currency pair trade is what we are having at the moment in terms of smart money. All right, so that's all for me for now. And as we always say, till the next time, stay disciplined, follow your trading plan, and keep trading like a master.